I just got done playing pickleball, and I've been, you know, the summer, man. 7 different entrees, 7 different vibes. Made oxtails the last time. We're making banh mi. You know, I don't know what that is. So banh mi is a Vietnamese sandwich. We're gonna do it with pork belly. Let's go, right here. Bow. Boom! Let my pork belly dry brine overnight. Look how red this is. So all of the moisture is coming to the top, so we can get a crispy skin for this. Before we do that, I'm going to create a marinade for the meat side. So we're gonna try to get we're gonna pop this in the air fryer, let the outside get crispy, and then we still want it to be flavorful. So like this is hard as a rock. It's gonna be really crispy. So for our marinade for the meat side, we're gonna do a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, some regular soy sauce, red chili flakes. I'm gonna do some brown sugar. Okay. There we go. Oh, that's too much. We're not gonna do all of that brown sugar. Some oyster sauce. Fish oil. Oh, fish sauce. I always say fish oil sauce, but it's fish sauce. And a little bit of sriracha. And we're going to do some, honestly, why not? Some garlic powder. Instead of cutting up garlic, I'm taking the lazy way out today. And now we're gonna stir this up. So we're gonna try to do this. Put this in here so the top side doesn't really get it, but the bottom side does. So while we wait and let the pork belly marinate, we're gonna try our pickled onions and carrots. I made this before I left for pickleball. So take it away, Ron from the past. Like my future self said, we're gonna make a brine. Let's go. I broke my knife, and it low-key kind of hurts my feelings a little bit. So, I gotta show you though. Look how, look, it broke the tip. I was trying to cut some frozen meat instead of like letting it unthaw, and it snapped. But we're gonna julie in our carrots. Now, we're gonna put our here. This is where we're gonna brine. So what a pickling is basically just a brine. Okay. Well, yeah, I think this will do. This will do. Now, did I cut it the right way? Not at all. Not at all. But is it going to work? It will. 1 cup of vinegar. 1 cup of water, sugar, chili flakes, add a little bit of salt, add in a clove of garlic. This with a brine. You don't want to get it to a boil. You just want to get it hot enough so the sugar and salt can melt. Pour in our mixture. There we go. Now, we're gonna let this sit until I come back and play pickleball. So I don't know how long that's gonna be. I know it's gonna be a few hours. So take it away, future Ron. Thank you, Ron from the past. Let's try it. We got the pickled onions. Not that bad. honestly, it tastes like a pickle with a red onion, but it has a little bit more of a snap and twang to it. Trying to get the carrot out. Get it. So this is the pickled carrot. So this is the pickled carrot. It's really not that bad. I think it's gonna add a nice, this is the onion. I think it's gonna add a nice acidic and like snap to it. So like, you know, the pork belly is gonna be salty, and like pork is naturally salty and like a little bit greasy. This is gonna cut right through it, and it's gonna make the sandwich fire, dog. I have a little bowl I made. I don't know why, but I think the last time I made it, I put it in a little bowl for some reason. But what we're going to do is scrape that off. We're just gonna put it in my little bowl. I eyed it, and it's actually pretty close. So scrape that. And we're gonna put that in my little bowl. And I don't know how I want to do this, but we're just gonna pour a little bit in here so it can still cook. Pour a little bit in the bowl so it can still cook. So we're gonna pop this in the air fryer at about 400 for about 35-40 minutes. So look at how crispy that bad boy is. Look at how good that looks. That looks really good, and it's hot. It's hot. I'm gonna take some of the oil, and I'm going to throw the rest of the sauce in there, and we're gonna put a nice little up. Oh my gosh. Yep. Okay, that was very hard. We're gonna move it over. I gotta try a little piece too. Okay, so hopefully I can cut this one up a lot better. So we got our toasted bun, we got mayonnaise, sriracha, nice layer of our sriracha mayo, so some cilantro to it. Just to add. I'm just gonna rip it apart. I don't know why. It just makes me. Okay, let's clean this up. It's all about the presentation. We're gonna add our pickled onions, our pickled carrots, I'm gonna add our pork belly. I think I could have sliced them up a little bit thinner, but it's okay. I'm gonna add just a little bit of that marinade. Okay. So then we're just gonna close. It looks good. This is my first time actually trying it. I had by me once. I'm going to try it. Okay. Flavors play really well. I'm not gonna lie. I think they're gonna party well. So the saltiness of the pulled pork, again, really complements the acidic and hint of sweetness, but snap of the vinegar. Oh my gosh, then the mayo and the cilantro adds a nice little refreshing hit to it. 7.9 out of 10. For my first time making it, top tier. I want to say thank you guys for following along. Please, please, please like and subscribe. That road to 1K. 1K this summer is going to be up. Looking at you. Follow. Looking at you. Keep the vibes good and the eats even better. Peace.